Apple glasses are set for release on June 5, 2023. Apple is known for its secrecy when it comes to product releases and announcements. However, there have been several rumors and leaks that suggest Apple glasses could be announced on June 5 at the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, 2023. WWDC is an annual conference where Apple announces new software updates and products. In recent years, Apple has used the conference to announce major hardware releases such as the Mac Pro and new iPads. Given the recent rumors and leaks about Apple glasses, it is possible that Apple could announce this highly anticipated product at WWDC 2023. One of the reasons why June 5 is a likely date for the announcement of Apple glasses is that it falls in line with Apple's previous product release patterns. Apple has a history of announcing new products in June, particularly during WWDC. Additionally, Apple glasses have been in development for several years, and many analysts and experts predict that the product is near completion. Another reason why WWDC 2023 could be a possible launch event for Apple glasses is that it would give developers the opportunity to create apps and experiences specifically designed for the device. Apple has a strong relationship with developers, and WWDC provides an excellent platform for developers to get hands-on experience with new products and tools. While there is no official confirmation from Apple about the announcement of Apple glasses on June 5, the possibility of this happening has generated a lot of excitement among Apple fans and enthusiasts. Apple glasses have the potential to be a game-changer in the wearable technology market, and we can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us. Whilst we cannot confirm the exact release date of Apple glasses, the possibility of an announcement at WWDC 2023 is an exciting prospect. Apple has a history of making major product announcements at this event, and the potential release of Apple glasses would be a significant addition to this tradition. We will have to wait and see what Apple has in store for us at WWDC 2023.